you doing? I have to go to bed. I'm sorry I'm boring. Hi, CP. Yeah. It's like, I don't care what you gotta do. Come on. Others. Butters. Butters.
Beanie, are you coming? Beanie, the baby chipmunks have been out. The brave one has been over here stuffing its face with leaves. I'm guessing he's getting ready to start its own little nest. And the other two has been just coming out of their hole. And they were slapping each other in the face today. It was cute. You little fritters out there stuffing their cheeks with leaves and stuff too. Just to reinforce her burrow. I'm wondering if one of the babies really messed it up. Or I wonder if that male that was Animal Planeting her knocked her up again. We shall see. We could have baby litter after litter of babies in the summer, Beanie. Little Beanie. Cute little Bean screaming his head off for at least over an hour this morning. The woodpecker friend is back. It seems that it will show up for like a week or two and then it disappears and goes away again. What a stunning red head you have. Hi. There you go, look out. I don't think baby. Butter baby. It is a butter baby. Baby chipmunk. Beanie heard the little fritter thud. She jumps off the table out there. Thud. I only had the door slightly open, just slightly, so we can kind of hear without just like scaring her off or anything. It's a blue jay. Oh, the little chipmunk is back. Fritter's back, and there's a blue jay out there too. You can hear it. You can hear her out there, can't you? What are we gonna do when she jumps on the ground? I just heard a thud. Such a little creature makes a big thud. Cracks me up. Beanie! Is that exciting? Hearing all the little animals out there. She's back. Beanie, she's out there on the table. Are you gonna hear her thud? out there. Little does she know there's a creature in here staring at her. Not just me. She's coming back, Beanie. Beanie, she's up here. Up here. She'll be back though, Bean. Probably. Maybe. We might have scared her. What? Beep, 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 beep. He's waiting for her return. Oh my gosh, you're okay. I'm just trying to move my shoe. I'm trying to move my shoes. She can be more comfortable. That was exciting, wasn't it? Butters and baby head. Look outside. I didn't even notice that I was taking pictures and I didn't even notice the baby head was looking out there too for a while. Oh, don't break it, don't break it, don't break it. Oh my gosh. Beep, 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 beep. Sorry, Fritter. It's back there again. You're a bit big now to be laying like that. And you wonder if you get a little stuck. Whoopsie. Doves are back. They haven't been around for a few days. Like a week. They haven't really been coming around too much. So I'm wondering if they laid eggs and that's why that they've been tending to their nests. Beanie. He has awakened from his slumber just to lay back down.